So concussions potentially cause neurodegenerative changes within the brain, known as CTE. Again, research on this is very, very early stage, and we don't know a lot about it. But one thing we do know is that all of the brains that have been donated so far and all of the research that's been done on this to date has all been in men. We don't have a single donated brain of a woman to be able to look at to say there's something here, okay? So one of the missions of Pink Concussions is to try and encourage more women to donate their brains so that we can learn more about this and what the long-term implications are for women. And actually, if you go to their website, pinkconcussions.com, you'll see one of the things on the main bar is hashtag Pink Brain Pledge, and so you can click there and find out more information about how that works and try to donate your brain. So given how everything else in the concussion space shows this kind of bias towards women having increased symptoms, increased susceptibility to injury, increased recovery times, I mean, it only makes sense that potentially there's differences in how we respond long-term over time. Maybe they do better, maybe they do worse. We don't know. So this Friday and for the rest of the year, in support of International Women's Day, think about how you can create hashtag Balance for Better, which is the hashtag of this campaign, and a more gender-balanced world. We know that concussion research requires more gender balancing, and how can you help to make a difference? Make sure to follow at Pink Concussions on all of their social media platforms. They also have a number of different support groups on Facebook. I'm actually in one of their support groups on Facebook, and it's really good for dialogue and discussion back and forth with people that are in there. So it's a great resource. Be sure to be involved, to get involved.